Hello everyone, welcome to RMD Labs, the only channel with DIY electronic projects using microcontrollers and commonly used ICs. This is our 6th video in the 555 timer video series. We recommend checking out our previous videos if you are interested in more projects using this IC. Today's project is about building a latching circuit using 555 timer IC. This circuit is ideal choice if you want to use a single push button as an on and off switch for your devices. The same can be implemented using BJT transistors, but the timer IC is favored in this video. We will use the following components. 1 555 timer IC, 1 momentary push button, 1 100k ohm resistor, 1 LED, 2 20k ohm resistors, 1 270 ohm resistor, 2.2 microfarads electrolytic capacitor, jumper wires. This is the circuit diagram of what we will be constructing on the breadboard. Let's dive right in. Place the 555 timer IC on the breadboard as shown. Place the momentary push button next to it. Short pin 2 and pin 6. Short pin 4 and pin 8. Connect pin 8 to the power rail. Connect pin 1 to the ground rail. Connect 100k ohm resistor between pin 3 and 1 terminal of the switch. Connect the capacitor between the switch terminal and the ground. Now for the voltage divider, connect 120k ohm resistor between pin 8 and the other switch terminal. Connect the remaining 20k ohm resistor between the switch terminal and the ground. Connect the positive lead of the LED to pin through and the other lead to the ground through 270 ohm current limiting resistor. Power the breadboard and play with the switch. The circuit constructed has a memory of its last state. That is why it can toggle between on and off whenever you press the switch button. It has wide applications. The most common one is a power switch on most of your electronic devices. But as mentioned, it can also be implemented using BJT transistors. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Kindly consider subscribing to our channel and feel appreciated for doing so. Thank you. See you in our next video of the 555 timer series. Have a good day.